looking. Wonder where it's at. Bingo, there it is. I just got paid. What's up, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get paid just for surfing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid just for surfing online. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please give me a like if you like what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, let me ask you this. Are you struggling to get views and struggling to get subscribers on your YouTube channel? Well, I have the tool just for you that you can use right now. All you have to do is click on the link below where it says the tool that I recommend that you use to get subscribers and views for your YouTube channel. So just click on that link below and download that software and start getting those views and subscribers right away. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you'll know how to get paid just for surfing.
All right, I'm on this website called QME. That's QMEE.com. And it says here, share your opinion, shop, and search to earn real cash rewards. All right, as I search down here, you will see this. It says earn when you search on desktop. Get the free QME browser extension, and you can earn cash when you search on your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. Go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QME results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect the reward in your piggy bank. And it works on Google, eBay, Amazon, Bing, Walmart, and Target. And here's some testimonies and reviews. If you want to check that out, some real positive reviews from people that views this website. And there's also an app for this site, and it's available on Google Play and the App Store. All right, let's go here to the frequently asked questions. I'm sure you guys want to know this, how much I will earn. Let's click there. There's no limit to how much you can earn. We offer you cash rewards for engaging with brands as well as for sharing your opinion by answering surveys. Remember, we also save you money with access to thousands of automatic coupons and offers and displaying price savings when you find a better deal. You can also earn even more by inviting your friends to join QME. Some QME users are earning thousands just by inviting their friends. All right, let's go here where it says searching with QME, since this is what this is all about that we're talking about today. All right, this is how it works. Once you have the QME extension installed in your desktop browser, it works in the background as your personal online shopping and saving companion. You'll see a queue in your browser toolbar that you can click on to see your balance at any time. You can get cash rewards when you're searching on your favorite sites and engaging with brands you love. You can also get price savings when you find a better deal with your automatic price comparison tool. all without having to go to different sites to compare, as well as coupons and deals. So you get the gist of that. And if you want to learn more about this site and more about how to make money searching with this site and this app, again, go to QME.com. That's QMEE.com. Now let's go to another one that you can search and make money, get paid for searching. Okay, here's the next website, and it's called Microsoft Rewards. Sure, you heard of Microsoft, one of the most popular software companies in the world, so you know it's a trusted company and site. Okay, it says here, get on board with Microsoft Rewards. Earning rewards is easy, simple, and fun. Just search, shop, and play with Microsoft. You'll be on your way to earning more than ever. And how it works, you will receive emails about Microsoft Rewards, which includes offers about Microsoft and partner products. And this is what we want to know here. Search to earn. So plus 5 points per search. Sign in to Microsoft account and search on Bing to keep putting points on the board. When you level up, you'll earn faster. You can even boost your earning by searching Bing with Microsoft Edge. That's their browser. Now let's go here to learn more about what they offer. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's scroll down here. Now this is how you earn Microsoft Reward points. It's easy to rack up points and earn your way towards great Microsoft rewards. Get points for doing things you already do. Search on Bing.com. That's their browser that you're going to be using. Buy stuff from Microsoft Store online or in Windows 10, or just explore the rewards page. Opportunities to earn points are updated daily, so check in often. And it also says here, one last thing I want to tell you is Microsoft rewards points don't have any cash value, but if you're a numbers guy, or if you just want to know how long it will take for you to earn that sweet gift card or a free subscription, it usually takes about 5,000 points to redeem something worth $5. So if you want to learn more about Microsoft Rewards, just go to MicrosoftRewards.com.
All right, now you know the website and the app you need to start using right now to start making money just by surfing. So go ahead and download that app, go to that website, and start making this money. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. For doing so, I have a free offer that I want to give you guys. And this has to do with getting free money. Yes, I'm going to give away free money. Now, the way you get this free money, all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment down below. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give out free money once I make it to 300 subscribers. So that's why I need you guys to help me by subscribing and sharing this video. So once I get to 300 subscribers, because I currently have 250 subscribers, I don't have that far to go to get to 300. Once I get there, what I'm going to do is reward a lucky person with $20 cold hard cash. And how I'm going to do this is randomly pick a comment and reward that person with the money. So go ahead and drop that comment now in this video and all my other videos leading up to the 300 subscriber video, because I'm going to make a video announcing who has won this money once I get to 300 subscribers. All right, that's all I have for today. Please give me a like if you liked what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give you this free money. Share this on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I drop videos like this on a daily basis. Now, that's all I have. That's it. I'm finished with this video, but you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos or one of my previous videos. Right after I tell you this, go get your grind on, because the grind is real. Oh great, I see you guys still here. You can watch this video over here or that video over there right now. Get your grind.